Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to show or hide the navigation pane in File Explorer on Windows 11. The navigation pane is the left side panel in File Explorer where you see Quick Access, this PC, OneDrive, Network, and other folders. If you prefer a clean and minimal view, you can hide it, and if it's missing, you can easily enable it again. So let's get started. First, press Windows plus E key on the keyboard to open File Explorer. Otherwise, you can click on the Start button and then select File Explorer to open File Explorer window. After that, click on the View menu and hover mouse over Show, and then you can check to display navigation pane in the left sidebar, or uncheck it to hide the navigation pane in the left sidebar. Hiding the navigation pane gives you more space to view files, while enabling it helps you quickly access folders and drives. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thanks for the watching, and I will see you in the next video.